Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and I finally got another Apple Watch. I'm coming from the Series 4, by the way. This is the product Red Apple Watch Series 7. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so it is upcoming Black Friday. Today is actually Thanksgiving, so I'm actually doing this unboxing on Thanksgiving morning, but I just really wanted to show you guys what I picked up yesterday from Micro Center. Now you can actually pick this up from Amazon.com at the recording of this video for $409, so it's actually $20 off. This is the cheapest Apple Watch that you can actually get on the internet right now. I will have a link down below. Now I did actually go to Micro Center and I asked them to price match it for $409.99, and they did it no problem. And I actually picked up something else that I will do on the next video. But I am coming from a Nike Watch Series 4 LTE model. Now this is the GPS model because I never really used the cellular after I had left Verizon, and I did have the Verizon version of that one, so I actually sold that one, and I'm moving on to this one here. Alright, so let me hide that. So here's what it looks like on the back. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. This is the MKN93LL/A red aluminum, red sport bands. So I really wanted the Nike version because it does actually come with different faces that you can't find on the regular one, but I figured I'm tired of waiting. Let me just try to get this. So let me just pop this out. So you just have to turn it around, open it just like so. Not gonna make this video super long. I'm just glad that I finally have another Apple Watch. All right, so here you have the Apple Watch itself, and I have the red silicone band, which is a little bit annoying to my skin, but I will buy a whole bunch of new bands, especially the Nike one, since I really like that one. So you can take a look at this if you guys want to pause that and read it for yourself. Definitely can. And you have a little tab here, so don't go crazy with having to unbox it. You just have to pull that little green tab. You see it right there. Pull it down, and let's see if it opens up. How does it open up? Alright, so it's a regular tab there. You have your Apple Watch logo, and it tells you how to install the band. So if you guys don't know how to install the band, I will actually let you guys know. And it does come with the medium and large band, and it comes with a smaller one, the small to medium version, in case you guys have smaller wrist. I think that my wrist is kind of in between, so I might actually go with that small medium this year. Alright, so here's the actual Apple Watch. Same tab, so you have the same tab on both sides. Alright, so you have the other tab right here. Pull that down, turn it around. Alright, so let's pop this out. Just like an iPhone. So you have the little carrying case that holds it. And this should be the manual guide and the charger. So I do have a charger already from my last Apple Watch. I had an extra one actually. And on the inside, this should explain about the product Red and how it works. Alright, so let's just put this away. I'll put that away later, I guess. Alright, so here's the actual Apple Watch. Let's pop this out. Now, this is the 45mm, so it is a little bit bigger than last year. And they actually made the borders a little bit smaller, so you get a lot more screen real estate. But this is the aluminum model. Okay, so let's power this baby on. Looks like there's a little bit of speck on there. Okay, so it's not powering on, so I probably have to connect it, but let's hook on the band so I can show you guys how this works. Right, so I'm going to take out the large one. So you always put the shorter one on top, and when it's right side up, so the button has to be to the right, and you just have to slide it in just like so. There's a little insert there. Slide it in, and then you have the other one, which is the longer one that goes on the bottom. You do like so, and this is how it buckles in, like that. Then you could close it up, all depending how your wrist fits. Alright, so let's see if this power is on. Alright, so we'll be right back. Let me see if I can power this baby on. Oh, there you go. The Apple Watch Series 7 product red with the medium to large band. Okay, so if you have to do it on your own, you just have to try to wing it one way. Oh no, the other way. There you go. Alright, so you have to try to match it up and then just plug it right in. And there you go, guys. Now, first impression, yeah, it is a little bit bigger than the last Apple Watch that I had, the 45mm. So hopefully this won't be obtrusive. But when I was looking at the 41, it still seems like it's a little bit too small, even though it was turned off. But I'm really liking it so far. So if you guys don't know how to set this up, I will try to set it up real quick for you guys. Let me clean my phone screen real fast. Alright guys, so if you guys don't know how to set this up, you have to find the Apple Watch app, then you click it, and then you have to go to start pairing, and you're going to set up for myself, or if you want to set up for a family member, set up for myself, and then you basically just have to hover over the watch and then it actually pairs itself. Really convenient. Look at it while it sets up, and then you have to go through the different settings, so you could restore it from a backup, or you can actually set it up as a new Apple Watch, and it does actually showcase which Apple Watch you actually have right there. So you have the red one and it says that it's paired, but that's pretty much it, and then you just have to follow the steps that you have to the phone. Alright guys, so this is the product red Apple Watch Series 7. I'm really going to enjoy this. I picked it up for $20 less than regular price, which is probably the cheapest you could find out there, like I said earlier. But if you guys want to buy this Apple Watch for the price that I am posting it for, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Apple Watch Series 7 and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm just running through these settings real fast. It's a whole bunch of stuff, but you'll get used to it. Later.